Today we're going to make plain graham. The first step is to fill this with graham crackers, and then next step is to fill. You have to spread all of the condensed into the graham crackers, and then step 3 is to put the all-purpose cream, and then the fourth step is is to is to put the mashed up graham crackers, and then you have to repeat it all again. Oopsie. Oops. Oh. And when you're done repeating all of this and you're done filling this, you're gonna put it in the fridge.